bacon pasta in a way you've never seen before. Let's start today's recipe with 250 grams of pasta in a pan. And we complete it with water. Then we add 1 teaspoon of salt. And we mix and cook the pasta in separate for later. Now, let's grate 200 grams of mozzarella. And we'll separate for later. And then we'll need 150 grams of ham. And we'll separate for later, too. Now let's insert 250 grams of bacon into a pan. And we're gonna fry until they get more or less that color. And we add the previously cut ham. Let's let it fry for a while and set aside for later. Now, let's insert 2 eggs into a bowl. Together with 300 milliliters of milk, 170 grams of natural yogurt, and a teaspoon of salt. And we mix all the ingredients until they are more or less this color. And we'll separate the mixture for later. Now, on a glass platter, we will insert olive oil. And we spread it all over the glass platter. After that, we will insert a layer of the previously prepared pasta. Then, we add a layer of the previously prepared bacon and ham. Now, let's also make a layer of mozzarella above the recipe. After that, we will insert a second layer of each of the ingredients. Is an amazing recipe, quick, easy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. After that, we will add the mixture with egg prepared previously, leaving all the mixture complete the glass platter. Now, let's take the recipe to the oven at 350 Fahrenheit degrees for 35 minutes. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Irene Mejica from Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Tell me if you have any recipes with pasta, I'd love to know. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video, bye.